I went through a stage when I was 15 where I think it was about 2 months where I literally didn't test and I didn't inject properly, and that caught up with me at one point. I remember one time during my sleep I was severely quite bad. I was passing out, I was fitting on the floor, and for me that was such a big wake-up call.
I had the beginnings of diabetic retinopathy, and that absolutely terrified me. I was like, oh my God, I'm 22 and I'm going to lose my eyesight because I ignored my diabetes when I was younger. And it's fine now. I'm fine now. That's kind of gone away. But it shocked me into place of thinking, right, yes, you don't have to be perfect every day, but you've got to deal with it every day.
I don't think you realise it when you're that sort of age, how bad the effects can actually be later on. And also, if you're in school at that sort of time, having stable diabetes helps you concentrate so much better. If you keep it stable, you just feel better within yourself.
It's just like saying, oh, you need to lose weight because in the future you're going to have X, Y, and Z. Or you need to stop smoking because in the future, 20 years down the line, you might have lung cancer. Well, that's like the same with the diabetic. When I run high, I feel fine. Especially if you run high for a long time, you get really used to it. You don't realise that actually you're damaging so many, not just your eyes. So for me it was my eyes, but your kidneys, your heart. You're damaging so much of your body. But that's hard to deal with because you don't see it there and then.
I don't want that because I want to live a happy life later on.
I would never say to parents or clinicians, use scare tactics, because that doesn't work on us. It doesn't work at all, because you always think, when you're a teenager, you think, oh, I'm invincible, I'll be fine. Or as I always used to think, I was like, oh, I'll sort it next week. But then next week becomes next month, and then next month becomes next year, and then next thing you know, you've got diabetic retinopathy.
You need to be healthy for your friends, for your parents, for your cousins and your brothers and sisters. That's the only thing, that's the thing that I always think, look, I need to look after myself because I'm seeing my friend later and I can't let her down.